This evening's Ray of Hope takes us to Maxfield Children's Home, an institution often known for being one on the receiving end of charity and assistance. But today, the tables turned in a powerful and heartwarming way. The staff joined forces with a local charity group to give back to families devastated by Hurricane Melissa. Yannick Williams has that story.
Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Courts has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Courts Ready Finance. Courts, make home yours.
For decades, the Maxfield Children's Home has been supported by the kindness of strangers. But in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa, wards, staff, and the alumni felt compelled to give back. They filled the decorated handmade boxes with canned foods, toiletries, toys, blankets, and handwritten notes of encouragement for the victims.
So today, we are doing a handing over of a gift of love that would have been packed and decorated by the staff and residents of Maxfield Children's Home to the Crisis Support Center charity. Yes, the kids, the staff, and the facility, but the kids themselves would have packed the boxes. So if you look at the decorated boxes, it is up. So some things, yes, would have been contributed by the children, some by staff, some by the facility itself. But the creative touch of decorating the boxes and organizing would have been mainly the children.
In partnership with the Crisis Support Charity, the foundation says the aim is to provide essential protection and emotional support for children.
They have seen the cries of the children, and here at Crisis Support Charity, one of our core focus is bringing nutrition and ensuring that our children who are at risk have some level of alleviation of relief. And so Maxfield Park Children's Home reached out to us saying that their children want to deliver some items to these children who are in need. And so today is just the handing over for these packages of diapers and clothes and much more items that they have.
Manager of Maxfield Park Children's Home, Tucket Palmer, says the aim is also locating children who were displaced by the hurricane, a project they're hoping to continue. The idea is not only supporting communities in need, but also empowering the children, showing them that, despite their circumstances, they have the ability to make a difference.
It's a different feeling to be giving back, especially as we're approaching Christmas. You know, everyone's thinking, what can they get? What is coming to them? So I was really proud of staff and residents and how they came out. I see the boxes are big, it's not like a small boxes. They really came out and poured their hearts into it, and I really appreciate them.
With your Ray of Hope, I'm Yannick Williams. Ray of Hope, brought to you by
Courts has what you need to make home yours. Easy payment plans using Courts Ready Finance. Courts, make home yours.